Good afternoon to all of you. Today's lecture discussing enterprise performance management. Unit number first discuss about the performance management. What is mean by performance management? Concepts, needs, linkage and strategic planning, management control and operational control. This is a learning objective in this unit. So first one is last previous lecture discussed the core propositions of EPM. Introductions of EPM. EPM is about meaning in the performance of an enterprise. Performance of an enterprise. So need of EPM. Already discussed last lectures. Need of EPM means failure to execute strategy. Second one, unfulfilled return on investment promises from transaction systems. And today's lecture discuss the linkage with strategic planning, management control and operational control. So the first one is subject UPM, unit performance management. Unit first performance management. Unit first performance management. Performance management. What is the mean? What is the mean by performance management? Performance management means performance management means capability within the finance functions of providing the business with the appropriate people, process and technological. For example, support planning, budgeting and forecasting. Support planning, budgeting and forecasting. Next one, deliver efficient and effective performance reporting and improve business decisions through insightful profitability and cost analysis. This is the EPM, enterprise performance management. And next one is show the enterprise linkage with strategic planning, management and control and operational control. Linkage with strategic planning. Linkage. What is the linkage with strategic planning, management control and operational control? So the linkage with strategic planning. Linkage with linkage with strategic planning. With planning, linkage with strategic planning, management control and operational control. Strategic planning, management control, management control and management control, operational control and operational control. So the linkage with strategic planning, management control and operational control discuss about the strategic planning, management control and operational control. So the management control is one of the several type of planning. Management control is one of the several type of planning and control activities is an organizations. The other two control and playing activity. The other two control and playing activity. So other two control. So the other two control is the strategic planning and task or operational control. Other two planning. So strategic planning. strategic strategic planning. Second one, strategic planning, and second one, task or operational control. Task or operational control. Task or operational control. So the first one is a strategic planning and task of operational control. This is a two type of planning activities. So strategic planning occurs at top management level, task control at the lowest level. Lowest level in the organizations, and management control is in between. Strategic planning focus on long range planning. Is this systematic? Strategic planning हे काय कशावर फोकस करतं तर लॉंग रेंज प्लॅनिंग वरती फोकस करतं. आफ्टर दॅट is this systematic use rough approximations of the futures. Use rough approximations of the futures, whereas task control focus on short run operating activity. Whereas task control focus on short runs operating activity. A more systematic use accurate current data. A more systematic use accurate current data. Management control is an between each activity involve both planning. मॅनेजमेंट कंट्रोल मध्ये काय प्रत्येक ऍक्टिव्हिटी काय असते इन्व्हॉल्व असते कोणकोणते असते but the planning process is much more important is strategic formulation. जी planning process आहे काय आहे खूप महत्त्वाची आहे strategic formulations मध्ये. Okay, next one, the control process is much more important in task control, and the planning and control area of approximately equal importance in management control. The relationship of these activity is given below. Relationship of these activity is given below. Show the activity. कोणकोणत्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे त्यामध्ये बघा ऍक्टिव्हिटी आणि नेचर ऑफ दी प्रोडक्ट. त्यामध्ये ऍक्टिव्हिटी फर्स्ट स्ट्रॅटेजिक फॉर्म्युलेशन्स. ऍक्टिव्हिटीज त्यामध्ये कोणकोणत्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी फर्स्ट बघा strategic formulations. First activity strategic formulation. Strategic formulations. This is first activity is the planning process. Strategic formulation, goal, strategy, and policy. In this activity, activity काय decide करते goal, strategic, and policy. Goal, strategic, and policy. त्यामध्ये बघा strategic formulation is the planning activity. Planning activity in this strategic formulation. First one is the goals. Strategic formulation. The strategic formulation मध्ये काय केलं जातं डिसाइड गोल केले जातं. म्हणजे जे स्ट्रॅटेजी आहे ते काय केलं जातं डिसाइड केले जातात. आफ्टर दॅट पॉलिसीचे कोणकोणते टाइप आहेत which type of policies long range policies and short range policies हे कोण डिसाइड करत असतं strategy formulations. second one management control. Second one strategy. First one is strategy formulation. Second one management control. So the management control. In this management control काय करत असतं तर implementations of strategy मध्ये काय करत असतं implementations करत असतं. Implementations of strategy. Implementations of strategy. Implementations of strategy. Management control काय करते तर implementations of strategy मध्ये काय करतात implementations करत असते. So the next one is task control. Next one, task control. Task control. So the task control. Task control काय काम करत असतं तर efficient and effective performance of individual task. Efficient and effective. Efficient, efficient, efficient and effective performance. Efficient and effective performance. Efficient and effective performance of individual tasks. Of individual tasks. So the first one is a linkage with strategic planning. Linkage with strategic planning in this method. Strategic planning. So management control and operational control. So the strategic planning. Strategic planning मध्ये काय केलं जातं? Strategy plan, management planning मध्ये strategic planning and task or operational control. So the next activity कोणकोणत्या activity ते करत असतं तर strategic formulation. Strategic formulation करतात. Strategic formulation मध्ये goal strategy decide करतात आणि policies, long term policy, short term policy. Management control. So the management control मध्ये काय केलं जातं? ज्या policies ज्या strategy आहे त्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं? Implementation केलं जातं. ज्या business strategy आहे त्यामध्ये implementation केलं जातं. Last one is task control. Task control is the efficient and effective performance of individual task. टास्क कंट्रोल मध्ये काय केलं जातं? जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल टास्क आहे त्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं? इफिशियंट आणि इफेक्टिव्ह जो परफॉर्मन्स आहे तो जास्तीत जास्त इफेक्टिव्ह कसा येईल याकडे ते लक्ष देतात. Next one is, so the next part, management control. This is a figure in general relationship among planning and control function. So the last one is management control. Management control मध्ये काय केलं जातं तर बघा त्यामध्ये management control is the process by which managers influence other members of the organizations to implement the organization strategy. Several aspects of the process of given below. This is management control. Management control मध्ये काय केलं जातं बघा, is the management control ही एक process आहे by which managers influence other members of the organizations to implement of organization strategy. Several aspects of the process are given below. So the management control activity. Management control activity मध्ये बघा, planning what the organization should do. Planning what the organization should do, coordinating the activity of several part of the organizations. Coordinating the activities of several part of the organization, the management controls activity. So the management control activity. So the management control activity. Management control activity. Management control activity. Control activity. Management control activity. So the management control activity. Management control activity involve a variety of activities. So the first one, planning what is the organization should do. Planning, organization planning केलं organization मध्ये जे planning केलं जातं त्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं? Planning what is the organization should do and coordinating the activity of several part of the organizations communicating informations, and next one is the evaluating information. जी informations आहे ती काय करायची, evaluating करायची, deciding what if any action should be taken, influencing people to change the behavior. जे influencing people आहे त्यांचं काय करायचं, जे behavior आहे काय करायचं, change करायचं. So next one, management control does not necessarily mean the action should correspond to a plan such as budgets. The stated plan were based on situations prevailing both inside and outside the managed organizations at the same time of formulations. Organization at the time of formulation of the plan, if the circumstances have changed, plan actions may no longer be appropriate. Management control involved change planning action may no longer be appropriate. मॅनेजमेंट कंट्रोल ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये बघा कोणकोणत्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी केल्या जातात, प्लॅनिंग केलं जातं, ऑर्गनायझेशन व्हॉट ऑर्गनायझेशन should do, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग केलं जातं ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ सेव्हरल पार्ट ऑफ दी ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी होतात सेव्हरल पार्टच्या त्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं, कोऑर्डिनेशन केलं जातं, जे इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे त्या रिलेटेड कम्युनिकेट केलं जातं, जी इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे ती इन्फॉर्मेशन इव्हॅल्युएट केलं जातं, डिसाइड करतात व्हॉट इफ एनी ऍक्शन शुड बी टेकन, अँड लास्ट वन इज influencing people to change their behavior. This is a management control activity. So next one, goal congruence. Management control does not necessarily mean that action should correspond to a plan such as budgets. This stated plan were based on situations prevailing both inside and outside the organizations, inside and outside organization at the time of formulations of the plan. If the circumstances have changed, plan actions may no longer be appropriate. Change plan action may no longer be appropriate. Management control involves anticipating future conditions. Management control involves anticipating future conditions in order to ensure that the organization's objectives are attained. If the management discover a better approach, one more likely than the predetermined plan to achieve the organization's goal, the management control system should not obstruct its implementations. In certain cases, the managers may be required to obtain approval for such deviations. This is a linkage with strategic planning, management control. So the first one is the management control. Today's lecture discuss the management control activities by planning process related which activity show the strategic formulations, management control and task control. Okay, remaining part discuss the next lecture. So today's lecture is end. Thank you for all of you. Thank you for everyone.